Dahil madami nga nang babas dahil masyado ko raw sinisiraan tong si brother. At masyado raw akong nagmamagaling at hindi ko na lang daw siya turuan. Sa mga katuwid mga brother ay tinuruan ko pa nga po siya kung paano po mag-roll at kung paano po ilalagay ang sushi rice sa nori wrapper. Dahil nga po pagka dumating na ang aming may-ari ay syempre i-rate po siya kung ang talagang sanay po siya mag-roll. At dahil nga po nagdidemand siya ng malaking sahod, kaya naman po pinagsample ko siya ng mga maki. At baliktarin naman po natin ang sitwasyon. Kayo po ang may-ari ng restaurant at ganito po ang nag-a-apply sa inyong chef at gusto niya ang malaking sahod. Kaya ito po, panoorin nyo na lang po kung paano po siya mag-roll at paano po siya gumawa ng maki. Wala pong cut-cut, kayo na pong humusga. Love you all. 4 pieces. Make maki. Yeah. Half like this. Aywa. Yeah. Big maki. Ayan o, they have crab. 4 pieces only ha. The good size ha, regular maki. Because this one very small. Waist but bottom too much small. Big the regular sushi. Aircraft,
Sauce you want?
no, you, whatever you like. You,
I don't know what sauce, what ingredients you put, so that's it.
this one, spicy mayo, Japanese mayo, and teriyaki sauce. Very small ha. You see, our maki is not like this. You see my
No problem, I take out.
huh? No, we not use whole. Only this one. For this one, good order for 4 pieces. I show you ha. You see, same ha. Same. Same.
Upside this one.
That our size of Maki. This. See the difference?
The sound of this.
Like this big, very small. And even this one,
But
this one is very small too.
same quantity, how you make in negotiate outside. It's coming.
What?
Negotiate outside. If I put same size, it's gonna be coming.
Yeah. Oh. Like this, huh?
You didn't understand what I'm saying.
What do you mean?
Like negotiate outside, not inside. You put inside,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Outside, same size, half.
Yeah. No, that's why I tell you, what do you like, Lamit Maki?
No, you have
Okay.
this also, right?
Oh. Whatever you like, Maki. But this one is not size Maki, very small. That's why. Oh. Our Maki is just like that size. That's why I told you, make you see. Our Maki like this size. Let me again. One more. 4 pieces, ha? No crab, ha? No crab.
Yeah.
No crab. So only veggies. Whatever you like, I told you, you make sushi, Maki. Whatever you like. The regular size, Maki.
These are also not coming. Side okay.
You cut 4 pieces. See the difference.
And it's big.
Yeah, really. Like this. Very thick and small. So, little more. So, ito is bad. You see, make it tight. Right? Right? Small. See the paper. Or the no, there's one more. Last.
that your ingredient gonna be finished, huh?
Ha?
Your ingredient gonna be finished.
No worries. This one is very small. The regular size maki, you see this one very small. That's why only vegetable. Oh, now I flip up. So, too much for. Carrots only, carrots. Carrots. With carrots plenty. You make only carrots. You make only carrots. Ay. Yo. Oh, meron.
Water.
Oh, here.
I choose like that.
Yeah. Then wipe the tissue.
Okay.
Oh, very thick. You repeat only this one. Very thick.
But it is small. Small.
Make enough for pieces. Oh, much better. Okay, next time you must be perfect.